Greetings, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered about the benefits of that bowl of oatmeal you just had for breakfast? Today, we delve into the world of a seemingly ordinary grain that packs an extraordinary punch: the humble oat. Imagine a food so versatile that it can be a breakfast staple, a hearty soup thickener, or even a crunchy granola topping. That's the oat for you. But its charm doesn't stop at its versatility. This tiny grain is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with benefits that your body will thank you for. As a whole grain, oats are rich in fiber, helping you feel fuller for longer and aiding in digestion. They're also a great source of protein, essential for building and repairing tissues. And let's not forget the plethora of vitamins and minerals they possess, from B vitamins for energy to iron for healthy blood cells. Let's dive into the science of oats, shall we? At the heart of this humble grain lies a unique type of fiber known as beta-glucan. This isn't your average dietary fiber. Beta-glucan has some extraordinary qualities that set it apart from the rest. One of its most significant attributes is its ability to lower cholesterol levels in the body. Now, you may be wondering how this works. When you consume oats, the beta-glucan it contains forms a gel-like substance in the gut. This substance then binds to the cholesterol in your food and the bile acids, which are made from cholesterol. As these bound compounds move through your digestive system, they're eventually excreted. This process helps reduce the amount of cholesterol circulating in your bloodstream, thus lowering your overall cholesterol levels. But don't just take our word for it. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms these effects. In the study, participants who consumed oat beta-glucan daily saw a significant reduction in their cholesterol levels. In fact, the researchers noted that the higher the dose of beta-glucan, the greater the drop in cholesterol. But the benefits of beta-glucan don't stop at heart health. This special fiber also helps regulate your body's insulin response, making oats a great choice for those managing diabetes. Plus, it aids in promoting a feeling of fullness, which can help prevent overeating and support weight management. And there's more. Oats are rich in antioxidants, particularly avenanthramides, which are exclusive to oats. These antioxidants not only fight off harmful free radicals, but also help lower blood pressure levels by increasing the production of nitric oxide. This gas molecule helps dilate blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow. Moreover, oats are a rich source of many essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining good health. That's quite impressive, isn't it? But that's not all oats have to offer. Think your digestive system could use a boost? Oats might just be your new best friend. With their high fiber content, oats play a vital role in promoting a healthy digestive system. But let's not just take my word for it, let's dive into the science. Dietary fiber is essential for our digestive health. It's the part of plant foods that our bodies can't absorb or digest. Instead of being used for energy like other nutrients, fiber passes relatively intact through our stomach, small intestine, and colon, and out of our body. This might not sound like much of a benefit, but in fact it's crucial. The high fiber content in oats aids in digestion by adding bulk to the stool, which helps to prevent constipation. By moving more quickly through the digestive tract, the fiber in oats can help to prevent the buildup of harmful substances and reduce the risk of developing diverticular disease, a condition where small pouches develop in the digestive tract. But the benefits don't stop there. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that dietary fiber can also play a role in preventing colorectal cancer. The researchers found that people who ate a high-fiber diet had a significantly lower risk of developing this type of cancer compared with those who ate a low-fiber diet. This is likely because dietary fiber can help to remove harmful substances from the colon before they can cause damage. What's more, the soluble fiber in oats can help to feed the good bacteria in our gut. These bacteria, known as probiotics, play a crucial role in our overall health. They help to break down food, absorb nutrients, and even help to regulate our immune system. By feeding these helpful microbes, oats can help to maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, further boosting our digestive health. So oats can keep your heart and your gut healthy, and there's still more to discover. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, oats could be a game changer. You see, oats are brimming with fiber, specifically a type called beta-glucan. This dietary fiber has a knack for soaking up water and expanding in your stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer. And when you're feeling satisfied, you're less likely to reach for those mid-morning or late afternoon snacks that can derail your weight loss efforts. But don't just take my word for it. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that oatmeal has the power to increase feelings of fullness. This in turn reduces hunger and calorie intake at the next meal. The participants who ate oatmeal reported significantly greater satiety than those who consumed the same amount of calories from other food sources. So, oats can not only keep you healthy, but also help you maintain a healthy weight. Now that's a superfood, isn't it? So, are you ready to take the 30-day Oats challenge? Let's recap what we've learned. The Humble Oat is a power-packed superfood brimming with nutrients and health benefits. From supporting your digestive health to aiding in weight loss, oats are a versatile and wholesome addition to your daily diet. But don't just take our word for it. We challenge you to incorporate oats into your meals every day for the next 30 days. Get creative with it. From a hearty bowl of oatmeal for breakfast to a savory oat-crusted chicken for dinner, the possibilities are endless. Pay attention to how you feel. Do you have more energy? Is your digestion improved? Do you feel fuller for longer periods? These are signs that your body is reaping the benefits of this wholesome grain. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of oats. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget, your health is your wealth.